Hi guys, welcome to Shexas YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to connect virtual machines to a network. I have uploaded several videos, and previously we have looked at how to create a virtual machine. So please subscribe so that you don't miss out some of the videos that I upload. Here what we want is to have our virtual machines connecting to each other so that maybe they can share data, they can share resources, right? So this is the outline of the whole process. The first thing is to create a host-only network. A host-only network is a network where only virtual machines in the host machine can communicate, and by this I mean the network cannot pass data out of the hosting machine, so only virtual machines they communicate using this network. Then we add that host only network to all virtual machines that we want to have in the network. We configure the networks of those virtual machines. We open the file so that the network is not, or the communication is not blocked. So how do we do that? You select the server. You may have several servers, but what we want, we have this one, this server. We have several virtual machines. So we want to add those machines to a network. So what we do is you select the server, then you click on networking. We have several tabs here. You select on networking, and then you say add network. Then you select single server private network. This network allows computers in the same host to communicate, but they cannot communicate using that network with computers that with the virtual computers that are on another host. That's why it's called host only network or single server private network, right? So we go next. We give our network a name and a description: SSP net 2 single server private network 2, right? You automatically add this network to new virtual machines. We don't want to automatically add it because maybe I want to add a virtual machine which is going to another network, so I don't want to do that. Then you click finish, right? You now add your network to a network interface. Add your network to a network interface. You may have several network interfaces. You may have several network interface cards. Enter networking of the selected server, which means you select that like we did previously, and you click on networking. Then select the network that we have created, which is that one. Then you click on properties. So these are the steps. You go that server, you select the network, then you click on properties. Then network settings, you click on network settings. Then you select the server here, you select the network interface card, you give the ID number, and then MTU is given automatically. You click on OK. Then after that, you click on configure. You click on configure after selecting this. After clicking on configure, you add an IP. So here we are adding an IP. Automatically obtain settings using DHCP, right? Here you put IP address, subnet, mask gateway, preferred DNS server, alternate DNS server, alternate DNS server 2, but I just want that. So this is the this is the network configuration for my network. And okay, right here, give your network a name, select the network, select use these settings, So you give it a name, select that network, then select on use these settings like that. You put those network configurations, then on each and every virtual machine you now add the interface. So what you do, you select the virtual machine, go to networking, then add interface. You select the network, then mark configuration. You may put your own, you may put your static MAC address, but here said auto generate. Then you click on add the network to all virtual machines you want. You can do the same to all other. You can do what we did to that Windows 10 to all other machines that you want in the same network. So here what we are now doing is we want to we want to open the network and internet settings, so that we configure network settings for our virtual machine. Alright, so this is the network that we have, which is the one that is added to the virtual machine by default. We click on that one, then say properties, say config, select IP version 4. You deselect that one, you uncheck this one, then you click on that one and go to properties, you configure the network. So here we are adding this, computer or this virtual machine to the same network that we have created before, which is the one which is the SSPnet2 with these configurations. They match those ones, and you click on OK. Right, try to ping one virtual machine from another, e.g. ping this one while on this one. If no reply or not reachable, configure the file. And this is how you configure the file. You open advanced settings, Windows file, properties, customize, and check the targeted network. So this is how it's done. Control panel, Windows file, whatever, advanced settings. From there, Windows file, properties, customize, private network, and that's it. You uncheck that one and click OK. You are done. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out any video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.